Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chili noodles. Start by boiling 200 g noodles until al dente, drain, and set aside while you prepare the sauce. Heat 2 tablespoon oil, add minced garlic and chili paste, then stir in soy sauce and a splash of water to loosen. Toss noodles in the sauce over medium heat for 2 minutes so flavors meld. Finish with scallions and sesame for texture and aroma. Heat a small pan and warm 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil, then add minced garlic and ginger for aroma. Stir in 2 tablespoons chili paste, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, and a splash of rice vinegar, then add 30 to 50 ml water and simmer briefly. Taste and adjust salt or heat, remembering the sauce should cling to the noodles without pooling. Set aside and keep warm while noodles cook. Drain noodles and immediately transfer them into the pan with your prepared sauce, adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of reserved pasta water. Toss vigorously over medium heat for 1 to 2 minutes so the sauce emulsifies and evenly coats each strand. Add a drizzle of sesame oil and taste, adjusting soy or vinegar as needed. Plate quickly while hot, then garnish with scallions, crushed peanuts, or a squeeze of lime for brightness.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.